In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to encrypt a presentation with a password in PowerPoint. If you share slides that contain sensitive information, encrypting your file with a password is a simple way to make sure only people with the password can open it. This isn't the same as mark as final or restricting edits. Encryption actually locks the entire presentation, so it can't be opened without the password. Start by opening the presentation you want to protect. It's a good idea to review the content first, and, if needed, save a backup copy. Password protection is powerful, and if you forget the password, there's no built-in way to recover it, so treating this step carefully is important. Next, go to the File tab to open the Backstage view, then choose Info. On the right side, you'll see Protect Presentation. Click that to open its menu. This is where PowerPoint groups security-related options. From that list, choose Encrypt with password. If your layout looks a bit different, use the search box at the top of PowerPoint and type Encrypt with password to jump right to the command. A small dialog box appears prompting you for a password. Enter a strong password and click OK. A strong password is typically long and memorable to you, ideally a passphrase with a mix of words and some numbers or symbols. Avoid using personal details or anything you reuse elsewhere. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it generate and store a secure password for you. PowerPoint will immediately ask you to re-enter the password to confirm it. Type it again carefully and click OK. If the two entries don't match, you'll be asked to try again, which helps prevent typos that could lock you out. Now save the presentation to apply encryption. Saving is what embeds the protection into the file. After saving, you can test it by closing the presentation and opening it again. PowerPoint should prompt you to enter the password before anything loads. If you can unlock it successfully, you're all set. A few final tips as you wrap up. Keep the password somewhere safe, because Microsoft cannot recover it if it's lost. Remember that this protects the file from being opened at all. Once someone has the password, they can view the content. If you ever need to remove or change the password, return to the same Encrypt with password option and update it there, then save again. That's it. Your presentation is now securely encrypted with a password.